In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the header in Elementor Wordpress. Let's get started by first logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your site, so navigate there to begin. Once you're inside your dashboard, look on the left-hand side for Pages. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all your site's pages. Find the page where you want to edit the header, and click Edit with Elementor. This option allows you to access the flexible and intuitive Elementor interface, which is what we'll be using to make our header modifications. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, look towards the top of your screen to locate the header. If your theme uses Elementor to manage the header, you'll find it easily. Click on the header to select it. If you don't see the header immediately, or if it seems uneditable, you might need to check if it's a global widget or template, which might require a different approach to editing. In that case, head back to your WordPress dashboard and look for templates in the Elementor menu. Under Saved Templates, find and select your header template to edit it specifically. Once you have the header in edit mode, you'll see the familiar Elementor panel on the left-hand side. This is where you can customize the elements of your header. If you wish to change text, simply click on the text you want to edit, and type in your new content directly. It's worth taking a moment here to ensure your text is engaging and properly represents your brand. Remember, your header is often one of the first things visitors see on your site. To modify the styling, like fonts and colors, click on the Style tab in the Elementor panel. Here, you can choose from various fonts and color options, ensuring your header is not only informative but visually appealing. Consistent branding is crucial, so align these elements with the rest of your site's design. Want to add an additional element or widget to your header? Drag the new widget from the Elementor panel and drop it into your desired location within the header. The drag and drop feature is one of the most powerful aspects of Elementor, allowing for significant flexibility without coding. After making your changes, be sure to save your work by clicking the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This step is crucial. It ensures that your edits are live on your site. Before closing, preview your page to see your changes in action. Your site is your digital storefront, so make sure everything looks just right. And there you have it, editing your header in Elementor WordPress made easy. Remember to experiment and utilize all the tools Elementor offers to create a header that's both appealing and functional. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you to take control of your website's design.